Right back we go. It is Saturday night, February 13th. Looking at some stocks. QLGN. Let's take a look. $21 million float. 102 million market cap on FinVisor. Biotechnology company develops novel therapeutic products to treat cancer and infectious diseases. Are they in COVID? I'm just reading real fast if I see anything. Yeah, they're in COVID. Back last year, it says something about COVID. All right, so this stock, this thing was 900, but it really wasn't 900 because it is split. Excuse me. So this came crashing down, as a lot of stocks do. Came down to this 15 line, bounced to 30, bounced again to 30. You can see here how many touches. Then it's dropped like a rock. Big gap down, right to 8. Then it found support at 4. Then bounced all the way to 20. Filled this gap really good, really a nice gap fill. And then came back to 6, and then bounced around near this 20 yen. Then we had a reverse split. And then it came back to this 4 line. It's very good support. Then it fell below that though. Even though that support, it fell all the way to this 3 line. So this is bottom pretty good at this point. You can draw a line right here. You can see this descending triangle. See this? The highs keep getting lower, lower, lower. Eventually you'll have a squeeze, and that's what it's doing now. But not the greatest of volume. I don't see like volume increasing yet. In this, you go line to line. I think we get the 5 to 8 range. So, up here in the gap, I don't know if we're going to get there anytime soon, but we can get to here. See this? We've touched that before. Looks like we've bottomed. So I love this 5 to 8 range. They're in the COVID space. So, look for that. This is one to keep an eye on. QLGN. If they put any COVID news out, this thing will rock it. Pretty low float. All right, ALNA, 26 million float, 98 million market cap. Let's see what they do. Late stage clinical bio engages development commercialization of oral enzyme therapeutics to treat patients with rare and severe metabolic kidney disorders in the United States. This had the big bounce all the way up to 6 in, what was that, October, November. Then it's crashed. So it goes all the way down. And then we bounced to this 3 line. Came back, found support at the 1 line just below. Tried again at this 3 line, didn't work. So, throat, sorry about that. Throat is bothering me. So we got into this 3 line, back and forth, back and forth. And then right here, you can see, where is this, near February, January, just trying to get up again, test this 3. Now the low keeps getting higher here. See this pullback? Great pullback on this 4 little red bar candle. And then it comes up. Then you have 2 175. Draw your line right here. So if it comes back to 175, the move isn't over. It could be a good dip buy. I think we're getting a 3 on this too. I like how this is setting up. The channel down, you test it a few times. The more times you test, you're going to break through. More times it is basing here. So this looks very strong. SGOC. $51 million float, 218 million market cap. No news in this for a while. Develops, manufactures, change material storage systems for applications of cooling and heating systems, mainland China and Hong Kong. This is kind of a weird chart. You can see this all the way up to 6+, and this thing crashed all the way down. Shaky volume down here. See this? There's like no volume on this. Almost nothing. It's heating up now. This is really I would say this is more of a day trade. Put this line right here at 75. I mean, with no volume, it's kind of sketchy. It's kind of scary. Here's the 150 line. But you see recently, look at the volume. It's picked up to like a million. Big spike, big wick. And then it's came down and tested this 150 and it's been holding, sort of grinding up now. So this is another one, a China play looking pretty strong here. Now on the weekly, I think we can get back to this 4 line. That's where the spike was. See this right at 4? So, I mean, that's your other line here, 4. So you can see it on the weekly. Look at this, back and forth, coming out. Look at the volume. You don't see that recently in the volume. So when you have a wick touch there, the chance of getting back there, um, eventually, I think you can get back there. It depends on the stock because like 80 and the stock is like 20, you might not reach there anytime soon. But this is recent and they're climbing, so this looks positive here. Just it doesn't have really good volume recently before this. So, but now it's averaging millions. So million, not really. Million here, but the spike ups have been good. So cool to see on that one. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trade. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank I. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Kim and Trades. That is it for now. Peace.